So with the button PowerFlow, you can activate the PowerFlow application. So it starts up at the dashboard. The dashboard gives an overview of your home connected to your solar panels and battery and the grid, and also your EV or your boiler consumer. It shows the different power flows, electrical power flows in your installation, but next to that it also shows your gas consumption and your water consumption. Here below you have a news sticker, and in the news sticker you can ask to visualize BBC World or the headlines of the news or the weather forecasts. So when you click news lines, it will show below a news sticker showing the different RSS feeds of the news. Tab number 2 is giving the dynamic price rates today and tomorrow. So red is today, blue is tomorrow, and you can select also your country: Belgium, Netherlands, France, Denmark. Next step is then the weather forecast. So you can select the location and then visualize the prediction on temperature, wind speed, and so on from today and the next days on. YouTube does not need a lot of explanation. So you can select your YouTube films, but you can also select music, and when you start a music, it will continue playing in the background when you are on the next tabs, for example. ChatGPT, you can select or you can ask any question by typing in your question, or you can click here on the recognizer and then it will register your voice and create your questions with it. Google Maps shows the location that you have filled in here on top, and then it will search your location. We can select a route. Browser. The browser allows you to predefine some default web pages. For example, here we have the web page Lowy, but also we could predefine Remy, for example, and then it will load the Remy web page. In details, you can see then the different energy meters. The same for Elan. Elan is here now in the dark mode, or the same for the Memo web server. Takes some time to load this page, but here you can see the different currents and powers and so on. The Mega web server can also be visualized by typing in here on the top your web address and giving it a name. Photobook will show the different bitmaps of your last voyage, for example. Here we have the 2Wire website as a preset, or we can go to Smart Energies, so the visualization of your home in energy cards. LoRa gives remote access to your Lowy Remy web server. VRT Max is a streaming of video. And then in the setting page, you can set your MAC address and token, and also the different energy channels. And here also the possibility to upload your web server, or cancel, or click OK. So and the exit button allows you to exit the application. This is in short the functionality of the PowerFlow app for Android. Thanks for your attention.